Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to import data into Pipedrive. All right. You're going to want to go to the left panel and look for this 3 cute dots. All right. Once you have it located, just click on it. And as you can see here, import data option is available. All right. Just go ahead and click on it. If you want to import directly from your computer, click on this button. Now, if you want to import from another software, all right, click on import from another software from here. Now, if your data is in your computer, just click on this green button. Now locate the specific CSV or Excel file. All right, as you can see here, there's one that is available for me. I'm just going to click on it and hit on open. Now wait for it to load. As you can see here, it is currently uploading. And once done, it will reload your import data page. As you can see here, you'll be able to review what's inside that particular CSV file. All right. And in here on the right, you can go ahead and add a custom field. If not, just leave it as is. You can go ahead and navigate to these tabs right here. As you can see, if you want to cancel the import, just click on this button, click on next. Now here, as you can see, again, here's the data. Just hit on next. Now, as you can see here, it will ask us what to do with duplicates if found. If you want to, you can go ahead and merge the data or create multiple records. Now, in this example, I'm just going to click on merge data and start import. As you can see here, it is currently importing. Just wait for it as it won't take long. And here we have this summary of our last import. All right, items added 0, because as you can see here, it's just a duplicate. That's basically how we do it. All right, as you can see here, it is from contacts. So I'm going to go ahead over to contacts and here's my updated data. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.